In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change your email address on Tradingview. Whether you've moved to a new inbox or just want a cleaner setup, the process is quick and secure. I'll guide you through it so you know exactly what to expect on both desktop and mobile. Start by signing in to your Tradingview account. You can do this from a computer browser or the mobile app. Make sure you have access to your current email inbox because Tradingview will use it to verify the change. If you've set up SMS verification, keep your phone nearby as well. Once you are signed in, head to your account settings. On desktop, look to the top right corner for your profile picture or name. Click it to open the menu, then choose Settings and Billing. On mobile, tap your profile icon to reach the settings area. The naming may be slightly different, but you are aiming for the same place. Inside Settings, go to the Account section. It may be labeled Account or Account Settings, depending on your device and version. This is where your core profile details live, including the email currently associated with your account. Next, find the option to change your email. You'll see a Change Email button next to your existing address. Click or tap that to begin. Tradingview will first confirm that you are really the one making this update, which keeps your account protected. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your old email address. If you've configured SMS verification, the code may be sent by text instead. Open the message, copy the code carefully, and enter it in the verification field. If you don't see the email right away, give it a minute and check your spam or junk folder. Codes typically expire after a short time, so work through this step promptly after verification. Enter your new email address. Type it carefully to avoid typos. Then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the update. Tradingview may ask you to validate the new address, so keep that inbox open and complete any final confirmation steps shown. When the change is successful, you'll see your new email reflected in your account settings. That's it. Thanks for watching.